In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upscale an image. You have a photo or image. This is low resolution. You want to upgrade low to high resolutions it's for free. So this link I also attach in description below. First of all, click on upload image, then select your image here. You can see this is normal upscale and this is processing upscale. So you are able to upscale 4x up to 4x. This is much better from 2x. So if you want to download this image, just click on here. Keep in mind, this image download you are able to download without logging this platform. This is absolutely free. So if you want to more videos to type of, please comment below, subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, bye.